This whole thing started with this awesome necklace Maria's aunt sent her. Isn't it cool? I've never seen anything like it. It's made out of paper. Anyway, she saw how much I liked it, and she lent it to me to wear to this party. Totally cool. That's a good friend. But then things went bad. Really bad. On the way home from the party, it started to rain. Like, complete downpour. I wasn't wearing a coat or anything, and the paper necklace was ruined. I mean, we're talking way beyond repair. I really started to panic. Huge problem. Mia's gonna be so mad. She'll never talk to me again. What was I gonna do? Well, I knew that first of all, I needed to calm down. So I did some deep breathing. Then I thought to myself, okay, the problem is the beads are ruined. What should I do? Tell her it got stolen? Tell her my dog ate it? She was so cool to lend it to me. I couldn't lie to her. It would be really disrespectful and wrong. I decided I had to come clean. But it was complicated. There were a lot of things to do to make this right, so I made a plan and wrote it down.